All right, guys, I'm going to show you a 10-minute meal prep for those of you who have high blood pressure or diabetes. Pay attention because this is especially for you. All right, the benefits, right? I've got green beans in here, guys. Green beans are a fiber powerhouse. Great for vitamin K, vitamin C, great for blood sugar management, heart health, weight management, anti-cancer fighting properties, and vision. Amazing. Red peppers are good for vitamin C, loaded with vitamin C, antioxidant rich, anti-cancer fighting properties there too. It's great for your heart health and it's really good for pain relief. And the last one, these red onions, you definitely need these. Get the red, not the white, guys. Listen, red onions, antioxidant rich, immunity booster, anti-cancer fighting properties, heart health, blood sugar management, digestive support, antibacterial properties, and reduced risk of bone loss. You need that, guys. And listen, if you got high blood pressure or diabetes, you do this, period. And guys, listen, if you like this video, comment below, DM me for custom coaching and share it. And if you're looking to get a little more lean, all right, DM me the word lean. I'll send you my free guide on how to stay lean on a low glycemic diet. I'll talk to you soon. Peace out.